See me, you know I see you, babe.
So I know my previous videos, I talked about how you can use delays to fill in for ad-libs, but Damaris in this case, when we laid it down dry, we laid it down the first time, she wanted to come back and do her own echoes, like self, not ad-libs, she wanted to repeat it herself. So as you can see now on the screen is these yellows. These yellows right here is Damaris going back in and doing it herself as if she's doing her own delay, which I found fire because we put it in an effect that made it grand. You'll hear it right now.